Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about, it's not numbers, it's words you need to worry about. And what we're talking about really is secondary properties when it comes to flood insurance. When we're talking about National Flood Insurance Program, we're talking about private flood insurance. In this video, we're particularly talking about some private flood insurance policies. Let's say you have a $250,000 policy that you just brought over from the National Flood Insurance Program. You're getting the same policy, correct? Very possibly not. You see, a lot of private carriers, because of the contract they have with certain reinsurers, they may actually be writing an actual cash value on your secondary property. So what does this mean? Well, this means that if you're doing a $250,000 policy, the chances of you actually getting $250,000 is very low because it's going to pay out an actual cash value basis. This means you may only get 40, 50, 60% of whatever the house is insured for. This could cause a major issue for your bank, because one of the questions they're going to ask is, your property insured on flood for replacement costs? You know, with FEMA, it's up to $250,000, or you need to insure it for at least 80% of the replacement costs. As long as you insure it for that max with the $250,000 that's available. But it works completely different in the private market because they go up to those higher limits. So you really want to ask this question, especially if you have a secondary property. You know, when you're setting up that private flood insurance policy, say, hey, does this have replacement cost on it? That's a major question you need to get answered. So that's what we wanted to talk about today. So if you've got questions about whether you have an actual cash value policy, you have a replacement cost policy, do you have the right policy through the private carrier, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.